Welcome to Precision Craft Factory, where we explore the mesmerizing journey of raw agriculture, transforming into perfectly processed industrial snack foods. Our journey begins deep in the tropical regions, where vast plantations provide the ideal climate for growing the perfect banana varieties. Farmers carefully monitor the growth cycle, waiting for the fruit to reach the exact maturity level required for crispy chip production. Harvesting is a manual art form, requiring strength and precision to cut the heavy bunches without damaging the delicate fruit inside. Each bunch is carefully stacked with protective padding, ensuring the bananas remain in pristine condition during their transport to the factory. The transport trucks navigate the rural roads, bridging the gap between the organic farm environment and the high-tech industrial processing facility. Upon arrival at the factory, the raw materials enter a strictly controlled environment designed to maintain hygiene and maximize production efficiency. Workers offload the fruit onto the intake conveyor, marking the official start of the transformation from raw fruit to packaged snack. The first stage involves a preliminary rinse, stripping away the heavy field dust and soil before the rigorous cleaning process begins. Skilled personnel separate individual fingers from the main stalk, preparing them for the automated washing systems that lie further ahead. The separated bananas are submerged in an agitation tank, where air bubbles and water currents gently scrub the skins completely clean. As they emerge from the bath, the bananas are glistening and free of contaminants, ready for the crucial peeling stage ahead. Hygiene is paramount here, with every worker wearing full protective gear to ensure the highest standards of food safety are met. Peeling green bananas is difficult because the skin adheres tightly to the flesh, requiring a specific technique to remove it efficiently. Once the tough outer skin is removed, we reveal the firm, starchy core that is essential for making crispy banana chips. To prevent browning caused by oxidation, the peeled fruit is instantly submerged in a protective solution that preserves its natural color. For higher volume production lines, automated friction peelers are used to strip the skins at a speed impossible for human hands. Whether processed by skilled hands or advanced machinery, the result is identical. Perfectly clean bananas ready for the slicing department. A secondary inspection ensures that any remaining fibers or imperfections are trimmed away before the fruit moves to the slicing machines. The clean fruit travels along the conveyance system, entering the slicing room where precision engineering takes over the production process completely. Razor-sharp rotary blades spin at incredible speeds, transforming the whole bananas into uniform slices with exact thickness for consistent cooking. The sliced bananas cascade onto the belt below, creating a continuous stream of raw chips that will soon become crunchy snacks. Consistency is key here. Every single slice must be the exact same thickness to ensure they fry evenly without burning. Vibrating sieves filter out any small fragments or broken pieces, ensuring that only full, perfect slices make it to the fryer. A second washing stage removes excess surface starch and sticky latex, which prevents the chips from sticking together during frying. The water gently circulates the slices, ensuring they are thoroughly rinsed without subjecting the delicate structures to damaging physical force. Air knives blast high-velocity wind across the conveyor, stripping away surface water to prepare the chips for the hot oil. Removing this surface moisture is critical because excess water would lower the oil temperature and compromise the texture of the chip. We now enter the heart of the factory, the vacuum frying section, where advanced technology preserves the natural essence of the fruit. Vacuum frying lowers the atmospheric pressure, allowing moisture to evaporate from the banana at much lower temperatures than traditional deep frying. Operators carefully load the raw slices into the frying baskets, ensuring they are not overcrowded to allow for even oil circulation. Once sealed, the chamber depressurizes, and the automated system takes over, monitoring the precise cooking parameters for the perfect batch. Inside the chamber, the oil surrounds the slices, and the water content turns to steam instantly, creating the chip's porous structure. Because we fry at lower temperatures, the natural sugars do not caramelize excessively, keeping the chips bright yellow instead of brown. The precise cooking cycle concludes, and the system prepares to drain the oil before the chamber returns to normal atmospheric pressure. Oil is evacuated from the chamber while still under vacuum, preventing the chips from absorbing excess grease as they start to cool. A centrifuge cycle spins the basket at high velocity, using centrifugal force to remove almost all remaining surface oil from the chips. The chamber is repressurized and opened, releasing the rich aroma of freshly cooked bananas as the golden treasure is revealed. Workers unload the baskets onto the cooling conveyor, spreading the chips out to allow heat to dissipate and texture to set. The result is a chip that is incredibly crunchy, yet light, retaining the nutritional value and sweet flavor of the original fruit. Rapid cooling is essential to lock in the crunchiness. Otherwise, the residual heat could continue cooking the chips from the inside. For flavored varieties, the chips enter a seasoning drum where they are gently tumbled with spices, sugar, or sesame seeds. The tumbling action ensures that every single chip receives an even coating of flavor without breaking the delicate, crispy structure. Any excess seasoning is shaken off and collected for reuse, ensuring the final product is perfectly balanced and not overpowering. We now move to the quality control station, where human eyes and hands perform the final visual check of the product. Any chips that are burnt, broken, or clumped together are manually removed to ensure only premium pieces reach the packaging stage. Automated safety systems, including metal detectors and X-ray scanners, scan the product flow to guarantee absolutely no foreign objects are present. In the on-site laboratory, samples are tested for moisture content and crunchiness, ensuring every batch meets our strict quality specifications. Sensory evaluation is also conducted, as our experts taste test the batches to verify the flavor profile remains consistent and delicious. Approved chips are conveyed to the packaging hall, a marvel of automation where speed and precision meet to seal in freshness. Elevator conveyors lift the chips to the top of the multi-head weighers, which use complex algorithms to calculate exact portions. The machine combines portions from different buckets to achieve the target weight with incredible accuracy, minimizing giveaway and ensuring fairness. Rolls of printed film are fed into the forming collar, creating the bag shape just moments before the chips drop in. As the chips fall into the bag, a blast of food-grade nitrogen gas flushes out oxygen to preserve freshness and crunch. Heated jaws seal the package instantly, creating an airtight barrier that protects the product from humidity and spoilage during storage. The bags are intentionally inflated with nitrogen, creating a protective cushion that prevents the chips from being crushed during shipping. An automated check weigher weighs every single bag, instantly rejecting any unit that does not meet the strict weight requirements declared. Finally, the sealed bags are manually packed into cardboard cartons, ready to be shipped to supermarkets and stores around the world. Forklifts transport the palletized goods to our temperature-controlled warehouse, where they await distribution to global markets and eager consumers. From a green fruit hanging on a tree to a premium snack on the shelf, the transformation is a triumph of engineering. When you open a bag, you are experiencing the culmination of agriculture, science, and precision manufacturing working in perfect harmony. Our factory operates continuously, a relentless engine of production that ensures the world never runs out of this delicious, healthy snack. We take pride in our state-of-the-art facility, where cleanliness and efficiency are not just goals, but the foundation of our existence.
That's not my wrench.
Behind the machines are our dedicated employees whose skill and attention to detail make the difference between good and great products. Nothing goes to waste here. Even the banana peels are repurposed into organic fertilizer to nourish the next generation of crops. Sustainability is key, which is why our water treatment systems ensure that we return clean water back to the local ecosystem. As the sun sets over the plantation, the cycle continues, preparing for another day of harvest, processing, and precision crafting. Harvest, peel, slice, fry, and pack. A simple sequence of events executed with complex technology to create the perfect snack experience. Whether enjoyed as a quick energy boost or a companion to your afternoon tea, these chips represent the pinnacle of quality. Let's look closer at the slicing technology. The blades are honed to surgical sharpness to slice cells without crushing them. A clean cut preserves the cell structure, preventing oil absorption, whereas a dull cut would result in a greasy, soggy chip. Technicians replace these blades on a strict schedule, ensuring that the millionth slice is just as perfect as the first one. Our oil filtration system runs continuously, removing tiny particles that could burn and affect the flavor of the frying oil. Advanced thermal controllers maintain the oil temperature within a fraction of a degree, guaranteeing consistent cooking for every single batch. The vacuum pumps are the lungs of the operation, tirelessly working to maintain the low-pressure environment essential for this process. The hallmark of a vacuum-fried chip is its texture. It snaps cleanly, offering a crunch that is satisfying but not hard. We use only high-quality vegetable oils, selected for their stability and neutral flavor profile that lets the banana taste shine. Regular testing of the oil's oxidation levels ensures that it is always fresh, preventing any rancid flavors in the final product. The packaging film itself is a technological marvel, consisting of multiple layers designed to block light, moisture, and oxygen completely. Traceability is ensured by laser printing batch codes and expiration dates on every bag, allowing us to track production history. We maintain a vast inventory of packaging materials to ensure that production never halts due to a shortage of supplies. Finished goods are loaded into shipping containers, ready to embark on long journeys to reach customers in distant corners of the globe. Our logistic network spans continents, delivering the tropical taste of our banana chips to markets in Europe, America, and Asia. From school lunchboxes to office snacks, our products bring joy and nutrition to millions of people from all walks of life. Sustainable growth means we are always planting for the future, nurturing young saplings to ensure a continuous supply of quality fruit. Advanced irrigation systems manage water usage efficiently, providing the plants with exactly what they need without wasting precious resources. The health of the tree is reflected in the quality of the fruit, so we prioritize soil health and plant nutrition. At the end of every production cycle, a rigorous sanitation protocol begins, scrubbing every inch of the facility to hospital standards. We verify cleanliness not just visually, but biologically, swabbing surfaces to ensure no bacteria remain before the next shift begins. Communication is vital. Daily briefings ensure every team member knows the production targets and safety focus for the day ahead. From above, the factory floor looks like a complex organism, with conveyors acting as arteries transporting the lifeblood of our business. Behind the steel mechanics lies a sophisticated nervous system of sensors and PLCs that orchestrate every movement with millisecond precision. Our engineers monitor the entire process remotely, ready to intervene and adjust parameters instantly to maintain optimal operating conditions. Our commitment to zero waste extends beyond the factory walls, ensuring that our environmental footprint is as light as possible. We are proud holders of international certifications, a testament to our unwavering commitment to quality, safety, and operational excellence. We welcome transparency, regularly hosting auditors and clients to witness firsthand the care and technology that goes into our products. Innovation never stops. We are constantly experimenting with new flavor profiles to excite the palate and keep up with trends. Our research and development team works tirelessly to craft unique seasoning blends that complement the natural sweetness of the banana. We build strong partnerships with our growers, ensuring fair trade practices that support the local communities and agricultural economy. Beyond being a snack, our chips are a versatile ingredient, adding a delightful crunch to desserts, yogurts, and breakfast bowls. Compared to traditional snacks, banana chips offer a healthier alternative, packed with fiber and potassium without the excessive grease. As demand grows, so does our capacity. We are equipped to handle massive orders without compromising on the quality of individual chips. Automation extends to our logistics, where robotic systems palletize products with efficiency that reduces physical strain on our human workforce. The lights never go out at Precision Craft Factory. We work around the clock to ensure fresh products are always available. Simple, golden, and delicious. This humble chip is the result of a complex journey involving hundreds of people and machines. When you see our brand, you are seeing a promise of quality, a guarantee of hygiene, and a commitment to taste. As we conclude our tour, we hope you have gained a new appreciation for the technology behind your favorite tropical snack. From the fertile soil of the farm to the comfort of your home, this supply chain is a masterpiece of modern logistics. Ultimately, all this technology and effort serves one simple purpose: to bring a smile of satisfaction to your face. We are honored to share our process with you and invite you to experience the crunch of perfection for yourself. Precision, craft, and passion. These are the ingredients that go into every bag, every batch, and every single bite. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the world of industrial food manufacturing and agricultural processing. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Precision Craft Factory for more deep dives into the fascinating world of manufacturing.